Just picked up this Selkirk touring bag. This is a new color for 2022. Looks like this is called the Raw White. The price on the bag is $149.99. You can buy it from Selkirk.com. Looks pretty durable. Lots of space in here. Look it around. Put a laptop in there. Pretty deep. This side, I think you put your rackets or your paddles. This is like a cooler. You can put like food in here. There's a small pocket as well. I think on the bottom you put possibly shoes in here, which is pretty cool. You traveled recently and they didn't have anywhere to put shoes. This is a cool little area. Not too sure how clean this is gonna stay, so I'll probably spray it with something so it doesn't get too dirty. But overall, it's a pretty good bag. Nice and light, lots of space.